Welcome to Car Check TV, the channel where classic cars meet quick thinking. So let's see how many you can name.
What car is this? 1975 AMC Pacer. 1974 Ford Pinto. 1978 Plymouth Valari. 1976 Chevrolet Vega. 1975 AMC Pacer. Which model is this? 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. 1958 Buick Special. 1959 Dodge Coronet. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Identify this car. 1968 Pontiac Firebird. 1966 Ford Mustang. 1967 Mercury Cougar. 1967 Dodge Charger. 1968 Pontiac Firebird. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. What model is shown? 1946 Chevrolet Fleetmaster. 1947 Ford Super Deluxe. 1941 Buick Special. 1942 Dodge Custom Sedan. 1942 Dodge Custom Sedan. Name this vehicle. 1927 Chevrolet Series AA Capital. 1929 Plymouth Model U. 1928 Ford Model A. 1926 Buick Master 6. 1927 Chevrolet Series AA Capital. Which car is this? 1965 Aston Martin DB5. 1969 Porsche 911. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette. 1967 Jaguar E-Type. 1969 Porsche 911. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. Guess this car. 1936 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. 1937 Buick Roadmaster. 1939 Chrysler Royal. 1934 Ford Model 40. 1934 Ford Model 40. What's this car? 1953 Ferrari 250 Europa. 1956 Aston Martin DB 2/4. 1954 Maserati A6 GC. 1957 BMW 507. 1953 Ferrari 250 Europa. Which one is shown? 1968 AMC Javelin. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. 1969 Dodge Charger. 1969 Pontiac Firebird. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. Recognize this model? 1929 Austin 7, 1925 Fiat 519, 1926 Ford Model T, 1928 Nash Advanced 6, 1926 Ford Model T. What vehicle is this? 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, 1975 Chrysler Cordoba, 1976 Ford Thunderbird, 1973 Buick Riviera, 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Name this car. 1955 Chrysler Newport, 1953 Cadillac Eldorado, 1952 Buick Roadmaster Riviera, 1954 Packard Caribbean, 1954 Packard Caribbean. Guess the vehicle. 1937 Packard 120, 1936 Cord 810, 1935 Auburn 851, 1938 Hudson Terraplane, 1936 Cord 810. Identify this one. 1954 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, 1953 Ferrari 250 M, 1952 Porsche 356, 1957 Triumph TR3, 1954 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. Which car is this? 1,958 milligrams MGA, 1959 Austin-Healey 3000, 1955 Sunbeam Alpine, 1961 Lincoln Continental, 1959 Austin-Healey 3000. You made it to the end. Awesome. How many of these rides did you nail? Drop your score in the comments and make sure you're subscribed, because more wild car challenges are on the way.